One of the great things about beading is the feel of it. And here I'm working on an applique that I'm going to be putting together for a mask. What I'm doing is pinching my fingers together so I can feel roughly where I want the bead to go. So I've loaded a bead. I have loaded a bead. And so I'm bringing it all the way down to where I think it's going to go. So I'm wanting to turn a corner, which is a bit difficult, but I'm going to put it right there. So I'm holding the thread with my thumbnail. I've pinched my thumb and my forefinger together. So when I'm going through, I'm feeling the needle go through beside my finger, like that. I pull it through for the first thread, and I've kept my fingers together, haven't moved. So I'm feeling with my fingers so that I can feel that this is where I want to come to anchor the bead again. Pulling up and through. Ready for the next bead. So I'm going to do a little dip here. So again, I'm positioning my bottom finger just beside where I want the thread to go through. Pick up a bead. Bring it down to the work. Position it where I want it to go. Holding it down with my thumb, the thread, I'm holding the thread down with my thumb, feeling the finger beneath, and then as I poke my needle through, I'm doing it just sort of over my fingernail there and guide it. And still keeping my fingernail there, I'm feeling with my needle where it should come through. To anchor it to the previous bead. And there we go. I find it's a lot of fun feeling the needle going through the fabric beside my finger. I do have to watch. It's not like I can do it without looking. I think I want it there. Okay. And if I'm not careful, for there, I just had to move my finger away so I didn't poke it because I wasn't quite in the right position. Close enough. Pinching to feel, running the needle beside my fingernail and coming up. There we go. I hope this helps.